10. Quick cardio workouts at home, ideas for you. Number 1. Warm up and cool down. Start with a proper warm-up to prepare your body and finish with a cool down to gradually lower your heart rate and prevent injury. Number 2. Interval training. Explain the benefits of interval training, where you alternate between high-intensity exercises and short recovery periods for maximum calorie burn. Number 3. Body weight exercises. Showcase a variety of body weight exercises like burpees, jumping jacks, and high knees that require no equipment. Number 4. Form and technique. Emphasize the importance of proper form and technique to prevent injuries and make the most of your workouts. Number 5. Tabata workouts. Introduce the Tabata method, a high-intensity interval training HIIT technique involving 20 seconds of exercise and 10 seconds of rest. Number 6. Incorporate music. Suggest creating a motivating workout playlist to keep you energized and on track during your cardio sessions. Number 7. Modify for beginners. Offer modifications for beginners to gradually build stamina and avoid overexertion. Number 8. Use household items. Show how common household items like chairs or water bottles can be used as workout props to add resistance and intensity. Number 9. Track progress. Encourage viewers to keep a workout journal or use fitness apps to track their progress and stay motivated. Number 10. Stay consistent. Stress the importance of consistency in cardio workouts for long-term fitness goals and overall health benefits.